Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to withdraw USDT from Binance to a bank account. First, go to the Binance app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up your account on Binance. Then tap on the wallet option provided at the bottom right corner. Now select withdraw from the given options at the top. Here you'll select the withdrawal method from the given options. After that, you can tap on the P2P trading option as the withdrawal method. Following that, you can tap on the USDT shown at the top to select the coin. Then you'll see different pricing by different traders here. In the next step, you can scroll down and choose the one of your preference. After that, tap on the amount option provided at the top. Here you'll enter the amount in the given box that you want to withdraw. Now hit the confirm button and reach the payment option next to the amount. Then select your payment method such as bank transfers. Next, you can hit the sell button of any trader of your choice. In the enter quantity box, you'll add the amount. In the next box, select a payment method, tap on it, and tap on add bank transfer. After that, enter your bank details such as name, bank account number, bank name, account opening branch, and IBAN. In the end, hit the place order button and you'll be done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.